Novak Heating, Air and Duct Cleaning wants homeowners in Cedar Rapids to know about the hidden costs of delaying furnace repairs. When your furnace starts acting up, making strange noises, running inconsistently, or struggling to keep your home warm, it's tempting to put off repairs and hope the problem goes away. But waiting can end up costing you much more than you think. Small furnace issues can quickly snowball into larger, more expensive problems. Delaying repairs can lead to higher energy bills as your furnace works harder to keep up, and it can even shorten the lifespan of your system, making replacement necessary sooner than expected. Safety risks, like carbon monoxide leaks or fire hazards, can also arise when furnace problems go unchecked, putting your family at risk. Routine maintenance and timely repairs not only keep your home comfortable, but also help you avoid unexpected breakdowns and major expenses. Novak offers convenient financing options and a worry-free maintenance plan to make repairs easier on your budget. Don't let a minor furnace issue turn into a major headache. Call Novak today at 319-364-4626 to schedule your repair and keep your home safe and warm all season long.